Hi guys, so I'm here today with a new video, my first video of 2019. I know it's been about 4 months since I put up a video, and honestly the time just really got away from me. I travel a lot and I have a lot going on in my life. I have a lot going on with my husband's job, and I also am a blogger, so I do a lot of things locally. And that actually has taken the forefront of what I used to do now, ever since a lot of this stuff changed with YouTube. So I put more energy into working locally and posting on my blog and my Instagram. So I guess YouTube just kind of fell to the wayside. But I didn't forget about YouTube, and I've been wanting to put up new videos, but the whole thing with daylight savings times is really bad for me as far as filming goes. Like, I don't want to have like a whole setup with like all this fancy lighting, all this fancy stuff, because I feel like YouTube should actually just be really authentic with the content creator communicating with people who have like-minded interests. I don't want it to be very sterile, I guess I would say. And I live in a condo, as you can see, and there are no lights installed in any of the bedrooms. So it's been a constant issue since I moved here, because I don't want to pay to install lights when they should already be installed. Yeah. But I have lots of lamps and things like that, but I think natural light is the best. So this is my bathroom, and I film videos in here quite often because the lighting is really good. So I have a couple videos that I want to put up this month having to do with my hair, because I have not done any hair updates, and I know how important that is to you guys that have been following me for a while. So I want to show you guys something that I got while I was on vacation. This is a Tangle teaser. It's been out for years. It was out when I went natural 7 years ago. I just never thought that this would be any good detangling my hair. I was on vacation in New Orleans, and it was there. I was looking for some shampoo, and I was like, you know what, this is only $12. I'm just going to buy it and try it, and it's amazing. Part of my hair regimen is that I only brush my hair maybe 2 times a year. A lot of times only 1 time a year, and it's hard for a lot of people to understand how I could only brush my hair 1 time a year. It really doesn't need to be brushed. I detangle it with my fingers. It's mostly just shed hair. My hair doesn't actually really tangle very often. So when I detangle my hair, or when I brush it, like in January when my anniversary comes up for when I big chopped, January is actually when my hair sheds the most, because around October to the end of December, my hair doesn't really shed. It's in a phase where it barely sheds at all, and it's really thick and it's really pretty, and like it just looks amazing. And then about towards the time January comes around, it starts shedding a lot, and I get like a lot of hair like at the roots. Like, that's usually what happens, is like there's this hair that's like caught up in the roots, and it takes forever to get out. So obviously I use this, and I used it twice, and it was great, and I actually feel like I lost less hair. So right now my hair is just in these 2 buns, because I washed it, and I put it in a sleek bun to go out, and the sleek bun was really, really pretty, but that was about 8 days ago. And I told you guys my hair gets really straight when I do that, and I know I owe you guys a video for that too, because some of you asked like what my regimen was. But as you can see, like it's pretty straight, and it's long. I'll be putting up the length check pretty soon, but I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'm gonna show you guys how this brush works, because I really don't feel like dealing with my hair a whole lot this week. When I was on vacation, I washed it like 3 times in a row. The 3rd time was actually a co-wash, because I didn't think that it needed to be washed again. But So that's basically how it looks. It's been 7 weeks since my trim, so normally I would actually just cut all of that off, if you guys can see that. But I needed to actually be in its natural state before I cut that, so that I know that I'm cutting what needs to be cut. And I cut my hair every 6 to 8 weeks. Nothing about that has changed. Most of my regimen is exactly the same. My curly hair routine changed again. I didn't think that it would, but I'm gonna try to update these videos for you guys because I've been slacking a lot. So this is how it looks right now. This is after like a week of me having it in a bun, and I took it out of the bun a few days ago, so it's not really humid. The weather right now is really good in Tampa. You can get away with wearing like some of these like straight styles and protective styles. Right now, a wash and go is like the worst for me right now because my hair, it draws up really strangely in the back. So as you can see, like the back doesn't have the same amount of length as the front. And it's just because like it draws up, like the back always draws up like a lot, but the front doesn't do that, and neither does the top here and the sides. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So anyway, stay tuned.